Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Roads and Bridges. From this video, I am going to talk about various historic bridges in India. So this is the first video on historic bridge, so I am going to discuss about Saraighat Bridge, which is in Assam. So without wasting any time, let's get started. What comes to your mind when I say Northeast? Tea gardens, one-horned rhino, which is unique to this place, different tribes and cultures which Northeast is full of. World's hottest chili, Bhut Jalaki or Naga chili, he called it. Football, as Northeast is quite famous for football, or Priyanka Chopra, who is ambassador of Northeast and Assam. So there are a lot of things for which Northeast is famous. But in this video, I am going to talk about bridges. Saraighat Bridge is the bridge which connected northeast of India to rest of the India. It is the first rail-cum-road bridge which is constructed over mighty Brahmaputra river. So the idea of constructing this bridge came in around 1910, but it gained momentum after the Second World War. So initially there was doubt over the stability of railway line between Bongaigaon and Amingaon following devastating floods in 1942 and 43. However, when the line had been satisfactorily stabilized, the railway minister announced the decision to construct the bridge in the budget session of Parliament in 1958. The client for this bridge construction was Northeast Frontier Railway, under the direction of Chief Engineer Bankim Chandra Ganguly. It is not that before the construction of this bridge, railway line was not there. The railway line in Northeast came in around 1881, but this is the first bridge that connected the rest of India with the Northeast. So Hindustan Construction Company built the foundations and piers for the bridge, and Braithwaite, Burn and Jessop Company built the double Warren trusses between the piers and the shore. The construction of Saraighat Bridge was started in the dry season of 1958 and between 1959. The bridge was completed in September 1962, and the first engine rolled across it was on 23rd September 1962. The roadway for this bridge was opened on March 1963. The bridge was inaugurated by our very first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru, who dedicated this bridge to Battle of Saraighat. Battle of Saraighat is a historic war which is fought between Ahom rulers of Assam and Mughals, and in this war Mughals got defeated. So it holds a very importance in the history of Northeast. The cost of constructing this bridge was around 10.65 crore. The total length of bridge is 4,258 feet. The road is 24 feet wide with 6 feet wide footpath on both sides. The bridge has 12 spans and 14,000 tons of steel, 4.2 cubic feet of concrete, and 40,000 tons of cement. 100 million cubic feet of earthwork were used to construct the bridge. A 40 feet clearance is kept from the normal high flood level to ensure free navigation under the bridge. In April 2012, the railways entrusted the IIT Guwahati with the responsibility of studying the effect of age on the bridge. The experts gave the opinion that the structure and all the pillars of the bridge are in sound condition, and the bridge would be able to serve the northeast region of the country for years to come.